Litecoin against Bitcoin. Where are we? Litecoin against Bitcoin. Okay, let's go. For Litecoin against Bitcoin, yeah. Okay. The saddest thing happened for Litecoin against Bitcoin. We took out the lows over here. We were anticipating some sort of a squeeze over here, right? An A, B, C, D, E kind of a chart pattern. We break out. But the moment you take out the lows over here, it is no longer an A, B, C, D, E squeeze. It's not a squeeze. Squeeze means a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, high low, high low, high low, high low. This is what you call a squeeze. This is not a squeeze. So yeah, this is just not good. This is just not good for Litecoin. So yeah, sadly, this is just how things are for Litecoin. Oh my god. Yeah, we've been in a downwards trend for a long time, so you never know when a bounce might come. And when Litecoin bounces, it bounces very hard, right? So you can see the downtrend, and when it bounces very hard. Downtrend, it bounces very hard, right? Bounces hard. Okay, the next bounce hard is yet to be here. We may still get a okay, it's no longer going to be an ABCD, but it could be a head and shoulder, right? Left shoulder, we go back up for a head, and then we get a right shoulder pump. But it's gonna take a very long time though, many weeks, months even, before we see any sort of a high quality tradable chart pattern. I don't know what Charlie Lee is doing, but Litecoin is not really it's not really rising here against BTC. You want to see Litecoin rise up against Bitcoin, right? Because that would be the true gauge of strength for Litecoin, gaining dominance over Bitcoin. But it is not. It is losing dominance to Bitcoin, which means that your money would be better off in Bitcoin in the long run. Of course, you could get sudden spikes here and there. So we are anticipating the next sudden spike to come for Litecoin. When? Let's try and see if we can spot it today. Yeah, there's nothing today. So Litecoin might do something like what we saw on Chainlink, right? When we were doing Chainlink, which means that you might see a sudden pull down, pew, and then sudden spike back up, pew, and after that we get a symmetrical, ta-da, and then we break out. Woohoo! This would be the best case scenario for Litecoin against USDT. Best case scenario. Right now, this is not what I would consider as a nice high quality tradable chart pattern. Okay, if you look over here, ta-da, this was a smaller one, but this is what you call a bullish continuation chart pattern, right? There's a squeeze, lower highs, higher lows, boom, we break out, retested the support, boom, bounce higher, right? So this was what happened for Litecoin against USDT. So my guess is there could be another big dip before we go any higher. But yeah, again, things just aren't really going our way at this point of time. So it would be safer not to rush into anything yet. Wait for the whales to do their thing.